stepping up to help those in need. H.E. McCracken Middle School's Junior Beta Club is organizing a shoe drive. Club members are collecting gently worn shoes, any size and style, to send overseas to help those in need.
Our goal is to get 2,500 pairs of shoes to help other third world countries.
Donations have been pouring in from students, teachers, parents, and community members.
What we do with the shoes is we unpack them, we put them in their pairs, we rubber band them, and we put them in bags.
Service and helping others are core values of the Junior Beta Club.
For us, seeing other people, it's important for us to help them because, that's what our job is. We want to help support others when we can.
The club is very thankful for all the support the shoe drive is receiving.
It's very fuzzy, warm, fuzzy feeling in your stomach, in your heart, that you see all these people who want to help out, and it's very exciting to see that you're going to do something for the world.
Giving these shoes away makes me feel really good. I'm sure it makes the whole Beta team feel good because we love giving.
All the shoes will be given to Funds to Orgs, and the organization will distribute the footwear to third world countries. At H.E. McCracken Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.